This is a DDAmanda video on BIXT Inc. Symbol BIXT, and she's on the OTC. Now, we've been following this company for a while. It's been on our radar. But recently, here she's bebopping along here at the 8, 9, 7 cent range. And she gets this 18 factor on March 6th. And goes up 35%, and then that's followed by a 10 factor. So at this point, we realize, and you should also, that there's something going on here, right? So possible entries here are 13 to 15 on this. She kind of settles down a little bit, even drops a little bit here, 22%, but there's still something happening, and then she kind of blows up. Not a lot, but up 44%, intraday high of 17, 15 factor, and trades at, now she's getting into 200-day highs. Here's a 229,200-day high dollars traded. Then she takes a little, goes a little bit down, but another high here. Now we have a 1950 200-day high intraday, and she closed at 1949, another 200-day high, which is a nice candle here. I mean, she's right at the top. So this is just, this is how DDAmanda finds these. She alerted on this 18 factor on 3/6, opportunity to get in here, 13 to 10, whatever, and nice profit so far. However, this, she's not done. There's a lot more other stuff here, and I'm going to get into it now. But I wanted to cover this first, the actual factors and the trading and all that, and the DDAmanda alerts. All right, so let's get into some other stuff, some fundamentals here. Let's look at a chart real quick. So here we go. All I did was push this chart button over here, but I already brought it up. So here we go. Look at this. She's just taken off here. And here's your 200 MA and your 50. Remember I said that we're looking at a golden cross happening? These guys are converging twice as fast today as yesterday. And what else we got? We got our CMF here, nice and green. And look at your MACD. MACD's just going bananas here. So there's your chart. So let's look at this news that they just came out with that I think is what's driving this. And this came out on 3/12, just a few days ago. And what it is they've got this groundbreaking treatment to combat bird flu. Okay, we've all heard about it. This bird flu in chickens where they're killing millions of chickens. Well, they've got the drug to solve this problem here. And what it is it's something called galectin antagonists have shown their ability to block viral adhesion. And this has been proved in phase 2 human clinical trials and in vitro tests. So this thing's totally legit. And they expect it to be very effective in chickens themselves. So they're working on this preclinical. It is currently in preclinical trials, and it'll stop this stuff. Okay, stop this virus. And here's some other stuff here. The way it works is it targets the virus directly, and what it does here are galectin antagonists block the spike proteins outside the cell. And this is already, here we go. Peer-reviewed studies showed that that this stuff attaches to the viral spike protein, and this stops the proteins from connecting to the cells. In other words, you don't get infected. So this is some really, really amazing stuff, guys. And like I said, this is billion-dollar billions, and supposedly this works on all viruses, or at least a lot of them. So like I said, these guys are just starting out here. they've proved a lot of things. They're peer-reviewed. They've got phase 2 human trials with positive results. So we're at the beginning of something pretty massive here. Alright guys, thanks for listening. So, in conclusion here, this is looking to me to be the beginnings of something pretty massive. I mean, we haven't even started yet. Look what's been trading, 100 grand? Are you kidding me? I'm expecting this to get into the millions, guys, and I don't think $1 is too far away, to tell you the truth. I mean, looking at a stock chart, going back to this stock chart here, this looks like blue sky country to me. So anyway, again, I think we may have a tiger by the tail here. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a good rest of the weekend, and onward and upward, baby.